In this video, we are going to see midpoint formula. Midpoint means it divides the line equally. For example, A point is some x1, y1, B point is some x2, y2. If you are joining this 2 points means you get one line. If the length of the line segment is 10 centimeter means that middle point divides the line into 5, 5. So 5 by 5 means 1 by 1. So the same way if it is 20 means 10, 10. So 10 by 10 means 1:1. So for all the thing the ratio is 5. If it is a middle point means it divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. So here M1 is 1, M2 is 1. We know that section formula P is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. So in this formula we have to substitute in place of M1 1 and M2 1. So if you substitute here 1 means 1 into x2 x2, then 1 into x1 x1. So okay, here denominator 1 plus 1 2. So midpoint equal to x2 plus x1 by 2, comma y2 plus y1 by 2. So addition is commutative. 2 plus 3 also 5 and 3 plus 2 also 5. So we can write it as x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So midpoint of your line is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So let us see one example. Example 9. In this example they gave that P and Q. Line joining PQ, we have to find midpoint of PQ. So first point we keep it as x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Midpoint equal to formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 4. Next x2 you have to first see the thing. If it is negative means plus into minus, minus will come. So don't put immediately plus symbol. So x2 means minus 2. So minus 2 by 2, comma y1 minus 6. Then next y2 is plus 4. So plus 4 by 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2, comma minus 6 plus 2 plus 4. So different sign. We have to subtract and put the sign of bigger number. So minus 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So this is book back answer. So next example 10. Example 10 they gave one diagram here. So here our A point and B point lies in x and y axis. So since A lies on x-axis means that y coordinate must be 0. For example 5, 0 means you plot that point in x-axis 5. So since A lies on x-axis, let A equal to some x, 0. Then since B lies on y-axis, so B is equal to some in y-axis means that the x coordinate is 0, opposite thing. You have to remind that one. So x-axis means y coordinate 0, then y-axis means x coordinate 0. So B point is some 0, y. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Question they gave midpoint. Midpoint of AB is minus 3, 5. So in this formula we can substitute instead of midpoint we can substitute minus 3, 5 equal to x1 is here you roughly you put x1 y1 here x2 y2 for identification. So x1 plus x2. So x plus 0 by 2, comma 0 plus y by 2. So x plus 0 means x. So x by 2, comma y by 2. So these 2 points are equal means we can have to equating their coordinates. So here x by 2 means here minus 3. So x by 2 equal to minus 3 means, so division go to that side means multiplication. So 2 into minus 3 minus 6. The same way here y by 2 is equal to y coordinate here 5. So if you cross multiply this means y is equal to 10. Therefore A is equal to x, 0. So minus 6, 0. B is equal to 0, y. So 0, 10. So here you note this one. A lies on negative of x-axis. X-axis here positive, here negative. So A lies on negative of x-axis. So negative x coordinate, 0 only come. Here but B lies on positive part of y-axis. So 0, positive value should come. The same way A equal to minus 6, 0 and B is equal to 0, 10. So this is book answer. So example 11. So this is very important problem. So finding equation, length of median. Median means this is a property of triangle. So triangle A, B, C are vertices. We have to find length of median through the vertex A. So median means this is the line segment joining the vertex and opposite side. What is the opposite side of A, B, C? So opposite side midpoint. Line joining the vertex and midpoint of opposite side is nothing but median. So in this sum, A is 7, minus 4, B is minus 5, 5, C is minus 3, 8. So AD median means D is nothing but a midpoint. So midpoint of BC. BC's midpoint is D. So let AD be the median through A. So D is equal to midpoint of BC. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So B in place B, you indicate that one as x1 y1, here x2 y2. So minus 5, here plus of minus means minus 3 by 2, here 5 plus 8 by 2, minus 5 minus 3 means minus 8, minus 8 by 2 means minus 4, then 5 plus 8 means 13, 13 by 2. So here we have to find length of median. Length is nothing but, we can use length of AD. Length of AD is nothing but distance between A and D. So we know the distance formula, root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. So here in rough part you have to mention that A and D, you have to write that A and D. So A is 7, minus 4, D is minus 4, 13 by 2. So this is x1 y1, then x2 y2. So root of x1 7, minus of minus means plus 4 the whole square plus y1 minus 4, then formula itself having minus, so minus y2 13 by 2 the whole square. So 7 plus 4 means 11, so 11 square plus, here you have to taking LCM, so by cross multiplication. So 2 into minus 4 means, because here anything is not mentioned means it represents 1 only, so cross multiplication LCM. So 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 1 into minus 13 means minus 13 by 2, 1 into 2 2 the whole square. Minus 8 minus 13 means minus 21. So if it is squared, that one means 441 by 2 square is 4. Here 11 square is 121. Again you have to take that cross multiplication LCM. So you multiply these two things and this one. So 4 into 121 means 484 plus 441 by 4. So if you add these two things means 925 by 4. So 925 you have to take prime factorization. So 1 5s are 5, remainder 4, 42 means 8 5s are 40, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25. Again you divide with 5. So 3 5s are 15, remainder 3, 7 5s are 35. So here we have to take square root. Square root means we have to pair two things. So for these 2 5s we can write 1 5. So 5 into, here for this 37 no pair. So 5 root 37 by root 4 is nothing but 2. So this is book answer.